Hey guys, what it do, baby, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So today I'll be shaving my face, basically taking out all the dead skin cells, taking out all the useless hair on my face, because it could have a mustache and she just have like this useless hair all over her face because she's hairy like that. Your girl is hairy like that. So I mean, you don't really see it, but when you real look you will see it. But yeah, so I'm gonna be taking you step by step, like basically what I'm doing. It's called derma planning. It's called derma planning. I wanted to do it before this whole corona situation. Like I wanted to go to a professional, but since everywhere's closed, your girl cannot do it, so why not do it herself? So I got this kit. I'm gonna put a picture of what it looks like right here. Yeah, I got this kit. Like it came with razors and it came with the thingy. So these are the razors it came with, and this is the tool to shave your face. It comes with a battery, so yeah, it has a light. So this is what I'm gonna be using to shave my face. And yeah, I got this at my drugstore, but I will see if I get the link on Amazon, and I'll put the link down below so you could purchase one if you want. Yeah, while I'm going through the different steps, I'll be showing you what I'll be using and stuff like that, so stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do, Roshii, I'm gonna use my makeup wipes to take out like whatever dirt I can take out. So I'm gonna be using this is my makeup wipes. Bear in mind, I didn't have makeup. I can't recall putting makeup anytime like any recent time. So, and I haven't washed my face, so I'm just taking out whatever needs to be taken out. Oh, my face is dirty, but yeah. Just gonna clean my face. I feel like I should probably take out my nose ring, but if I take that out, that'll give me so much trouble to put back on though. Okay, I'll try to take it out. Okay. Dirty face. So what I'm going to do now is, so guys, I'm going to clean my face some more, because I mean that didn't take out everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this right here, and I'm gonna use my handy dandy vanity brush. I mean, I've been using it for a couple of months now and it has been doing it justice. So yeah, let's get clean. So guys, I know my angles are a bit weird, but what I'm gonna do now is steam my face to open up my pores. And yeah, I'm gonna put a towel over my head. My mat is clean, so yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip my face in that to open up my pores. I'm not sure for how long, but yeah. Oh, I'm not dipping my face, like I'm just putting my face over the bowl, not in the hot water. So cute. So guys, now that I have steamed my face, I'm gonna go in with some rubbing alcohol to take out all the extra excess whatever dirt that is left or whatever, because you know I just finished steaming my face, my pores are opened up, so let's get clean. So I do not have cotton pads, but I do have these, so I'm gonna just use what I have. Just gonna use what I got. It's gorgeous. See? I'm not seeing it. Guys, I know I'm married, but so there you go. At this point, if you think I care, I don't care. Now, the next step, babies, we're not gonna be shaving our face dry like that. Yes, it's clean, but we're not gonna be shaving our face dry. You understand? So what I'm gonna be using the extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is good for the skin, hair. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using the olive oil, not a lot, just a little bit, not a lot. So just gonna. I feel like that's too much, you know. Like I said, not a lot. It looks like a lot, but so I'm just gonna pass it on my face. Please sanitize this. I'm just gonna clean it. So you get to actually see where that I have hair. You'll see how much hair that is on my face. This is crazy. This is crazy. So guys, I'm done shaving my face. Do I see much of a difference? Not really, but I mean I did it at home, so toodles. But yeah, y'all did see hair come out, and a lot of, let me show you guys, there was like a lot of dirt thingy, so yeah, I'm not sure if that's like the dead skin cells that came out. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is pass some more rubbing alcohol on it, because I mean I just didn't shave my face, so I'm gonna pass some more rubbing alcohol on it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's okay. So I'm gonna go wash my face again, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. So y'all, I'm going to be using Mask of Magnitude to restore moisture back in my face because my face is a bit dry. So I'm gonna put a mask. So guys, I am done. I washed out my face. Now my face looks super dry, but don't worry about that. I've got her vitamin E oil, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. And just like get it into my skin. So guys, I'm done with my vitamin E oil. Like, my face does look different. Like, I find it looks different. I don't know if it looks different to you, but it looks different to me. Like, my face feels way smoother. To me, it looks smoother. Yeah, I still want to do it professionally, so I might bring you guys along with me after this whole COVID thing is done to get it done professionally, because I feel like I didn't do that much of a good job, but I did a good job because I did it on my own and it was my first time. So yeah, so I'm so excited. But anyways guys, I have so much more in store for you, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below, click that button, the nice red button, click it, and share the video. You know, if you try it out, show me your before and show me your after pictures. Tag me on Instagram, because let me tell you, I don't really use Twitter like that. I don't know how people could use Twitter, but anyways, yeah, I do have a Twitter account, but I don't use it. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, Empress Roshii, link down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.